A house agent's commission on a sale of a house is 7.5%. Calculate his commission on a house sold for 14 million cedis. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and then after that you pick the correct option. The question tells us that a house agent charges a commission of 7.5% on the selling price of a house. If he sells the house for 14 million cedis, what will be his commission? The agent's commission is equal to 7.5% of the selling price. From the question, we are told that the house is being sold for 14 million cedis. So the agent's commission will be 7.5% of 14 million cedis. 7.5% of 14 million cedis is equal to 7.5 divided by 100. So 7.5% is 7.5 divided by 100 times the selling price of the house, which is 14 million cedis. This will give us the agent's commission. 7.5 divided by 100 times 14 million cedis will give us 1,050,000 cedis. So it means that the agent's commission was 1,050,000 cedis. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is B.